Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be presenting my project Dynamic Mutation Rates for MapElite's algorithm. I will start with introducing generic algorithms in general. Generic algorithms are search and optimization algorithms used in many practical problems. It starts with a random population of solutions or individuals. These solutions are modified to get new solutions by a process called mutation. The decision to make a particular change is governed by the mutation rate, that is, the probability of making a change. If a change is positive, that is, it results in higher performance, then the process is repeated with the new solution as the parent or base solution. Otherwise, the previous solution is used as the parent. This process is continued till a high-performing solution is found. MapElites, or multidimensional archive of phenotypic elites, is one such algorithm. Instead of returning a single high-performing solution, MapElites finds a diversity of solutions and maps them to a user-defined feature space. The objective of this project is to make MapElites more efficient by increasing its ability to find new solutions in the search space. Since the power of finding new solutions primarily arises from mutation, in this project we will add dynamic mutation rate selection to MapElites. We implemented three versions of MapElites. In each of the implementation, the mutation rate will be selected using a polynomial called mutation function. First one is MapElites with a constant mutation function. In this version, the mutation rate will remain constant throughout the execution. This will work as the normal MapElites algorithm. The next is MapElites with a cooling mutation function. In this version, the mutation rate will be a function of number of iterations. The algorithm will start with a high value of mutation rate and exponentially reduce to a lower value. The last is MapElites with a step mutation function. In this version, the mutation rate takes two values, a high value and a low value. Selection of the mutation rate will depend on the number of new solutions found in the last iteration. If the number of new solutions found is less than a pre-decided threshold, then it employs high mutation rate, otherwise low mutation rate. Now I will briefly explain the working of dynamic MapElites using a simple example. Suppose the problem is to find a stable building structure. The algorithm starts with the user deciding the performance criteria and the features of interest, and then the algorithm creates an empty map of features. For this example, the performance criteria can be stability of the building and features can be the height and width of the building. Then the algorithm generates g-random solutions and evaluates them, and according to the features and the performance, it is placed on the feature map. The next step for the algorithm is to find new solutions. It does it by randomly selecting an individual from the map and mutates it. But before the mutation process, it selects a mutation rate using the mutation function. Now we have a new solution with us which needs to be placed on the feature map. To do this, the solution is evaluated for its performance and features. The position of the solution is identified according to its features. The solution is placed in a cell if the cell is empty or it has a higher performance than the current solution in that cell. The process is continued till a predefined termination criteria is met. The termination criteria can be the required performance or the given time frame. At the end of the algorithm, we'll get a map of high-performing solutions with different features. In this project, we implemented three versions of MapElites to solve a problem. The problem includes a neural network that receives an 8-bit input pattern. The network has to identify if a given pattern was present on the left and the right side of the input pattern. The performance was measured in terms of percentage of correct answers, and the features were modularity and connection cost of the network. The three versions were compared in terms of global coverage, that is, the ratio of number of unique solutions found in a run and the highest number of unique solutions found by any run. This is the graph of global coverage for all the three versions for the given problem. It can be seen in the graph that the dynamic versions of MapElites have a higher coverage than the MapElites algorithm. Another parameter used to compare the three versions of MapElites is global performance, which is defined as the ratio of performance of the solution in a run to the performance of the highest performing solution in any run. It can be seen that in terms of performance, all the versions did equally well. With the results, it can be concluded that having dynamic mutation rates increases the ability of MapElites to find higher diversity of solutions without degrading the performance. Thank you.